What if one of the most dangerous asteroids ever discovered, Bennu, was on a direct collision course with Earth? Bennu is massive, about 500 meters wide, taller than the Empire State Building, and it's traveling at over 100,000 kilometers per hour. If it hit Earth, the impact would unleash the energy of more than 1,200 megatons of TNT. That's 24 times stronger than the largest nuclear bomb ever made. A strike like that could vaporize everything within hundreds of kilometers, trigger global firestorms, and send shockwaves around the planet. The dust in the atmosphere could block sunlight for months, collapsing ecosystems and threatening life as we know it. NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission visited Bennu to study it, because scientists say there's a 1 in 2,700 chance it could hit Earth between 2175 and 2199. It's small but powerful enough to rewrite history. The question is, will we be ready when Bennu comes back?